So I've got a question for us to think about. We have a swimmer, and we know that his current time is 3.85 minutes, and he wants to improve this. Right? Specifically, he wants to reduce it by a factor of 5%. Right, so how can we figure this out? Well, that 5% is the percent change that he's looking for. So we're going to use the percent change formula here. So I've got the formula, and this time we don't have a new and an old value. We just have the old value, and it's the new value that we're trying to find. Right? So if I put some numbers in here, I'm going to put 3.85 in for both old values. I'm going to put in, I need a variable for the new value. That's what we're trying to find. Right? So I just defaulted to X. Right? That's kind of our generic choice. And I want you to look carefully at what I did on the left-hand side. He wants to reduce his time by 5%. Right, so that's why I made it negative over there. I took the 5%, converted it to a decimal, that's 0.05, and we always do that before trying to do any kind of calculations with a percentage. And because it's a reduction, right, I wanted to go down, so I made it negative. And now I've got an equation that we'd like to solve. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to multiply both sides of this by 3.85. Now if I do that, I get x minus 3.85 equals 3.85 times that negative 0.05, and that's negative 0.1925. Now, if you want to kind of reason through what this is telling us, this is saying that he needs to reduce his time by 0.1925 minutes in order to achieve his goal. All right, the last step in solving the equation, I'm going to take that 3.85, I'm going to add it to both sides, which means on the right side, I'm going to end up subtracting that 0.1925 from it. And if we do that, we get the new time that he needs, 3.6575 minutes. So if you like this example, please don't forget to click on the like button down below. If you'd like to see the full context, the link up above here will take you to the lecture on percent change.